Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy mayo sauce for sushi. Gather mayonnaise, sriracha, sesame oil, lime, and chili flakes, and place them near your prep area. Start by mixing 2 parts mayo to 1 part sriracha, then add a few drops of sesame oil and a squeeze of lime. Stir until silky, taste, and tweak the heat to your preference for perfect sushi dipping or drizzling. For flavor tweaks, keep it simple and taste as you go. If the sauce feels flat, add a little lime for acidity or a pinch of sugar to smooth edges. Toasted sesame seeds or a touch more sesame oil bring warmth and nuttiness that pairs beautifully with raw fish. If you want extra heat, stir in chili flakes or a bit more sriracha a little at a time until it matches your desired spice level. Serve your spicy mayo at room temperature so it stays silky and easy to drizzle. Use a squeeze bottle for neat lines across sushi rolls or spoon it into a small dipping dish for individual servings. This sauce pairs well with tempura, rolls, and grilled seafood. Keep leftover sauce covered in the refrigerator and use within 5 days to maintain freshness and flavor. Re-whisk briefly before serving if it separates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.